name is Abhishek.
Yes.
My follow-up question was from the Raj, like for Nididhyasan. We know it's the techniques that we have learned. Now, when we say the enlightenment is momentous, is it to mean that
Enlightenment is
momentous? Like it's like
momentary or momentous?
Momentary. Like once you get it, it's not going back. Like once you
Momentary.
yeah,
Okay.
momentary. So is it like the ultimate meaning is with Nididhyasan, you realize what is the pure consciousness with this, like I'm Brahman, or it is like with the Gnan, when you know that like I'm not that mirror, I'm not that reflected consciousness, I am the witness of that. So the ultimate goal of Nididhyasan is to stabilize to that or to realize?
Is to stabilize.
Is to stabilize.
Yes.
Got it.
You might say, isn't it realizing it? So there is a very ancient debate. There are two sub-schools of Advaita Vedanta. It's called the Vivarana school and the Bhamati school for those who have studied classical Advaita Vedanta. One school says, enlightenment requires Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana. Hearing, reflection, meditation, and the culmination will be enlightenment. That's one school. The other school says, no. Enlightenment comes from hearing. And the reflection and meditation are only for removing obstacles to that enlightenment. Okay. So I have heard, and now I don't get it. I don't think I am Brahman. I've got many questions, and even then I don't feel like that I am Brahman. Yes. So what do? Recommended that we reason it out, and then we meditate on what we have reasoned. So one school says, Shravanat eva jnanam, from hearing comes enlightenment. Another one says, no, from hearing, reflection and meditation comes enlightenment. According to one school, meditation stabilizes your enlightenment, that it becomes an effortless thing in your life. So that's basically the classical Advaita Vedanta position.